In this training, I'm going to share where you can find buyers for your images and your image bundles. So once you put together some image bundles of perhaps some Facebook graphics or related graphics for specific businesses, then you need to go ahead and find buyers for those. This can actually be relatively easy to do, so I'm going to explore that in this video where you can find places to sell these without having stress and frustration. A great way to do this is to look for existing products that don't contain any images, and then you can reach out to the product creator. This might be something where you take a look at the sales page and you see what they have available, and maybe let's say, for example, that they're telling people how to succeed with Instagram. And they don't have any templates, you could actually go ahead and say, here's some done for you images for Instagram that you can resell to your people or something like that. So that's going to allow them to add value, and then that you can sell it to them directly or just get a 50% commission if they want to promote your images to their audience. And types of products that might need images are like the example I shared, or things like reports, tutorials, particularly PLR products, private label rights products, where people are selling content for other people to reuse, even things like ebooks and software. So you can find product creators that might benefit from your image bundles by going to websites such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Share a Sale. So let me just show you a quick example. Okay, this is a product called Article Wings, which is private label rights articles that people can purchase. So it's content that people can put on their blogs or do whatever they want to. And this person is really stressing this is very high quality content. It's in the online marketing niche. And so they're really concerned about quality. And it says they've newly added 2 handcrafted graphics for the articles with text snippets. So they're only providing 2 graphics per article. This is definitely something where you could reach out to this person and say, hey, here is a pack of 25 or 50 or 100 graphics that will go with what you have, and you can sell it with a license. I can get 50% commission, or you can just have them buy it directly if you don't mind the fact that they're, including it in their product for other buyers. So that's a quick and easy way to actually find people who already have audiences who might want to pick up your image bundle. So when you reach out to people, make sure you include all the information, such as where they can get your product, if you want them to promote it directly, where they can sign up so they can promote it, and an easy way to get in touch with you. People are busy and they want to see all the information right at the beginning. Maybe even give them a sample, of course, of your product as well. And I would definitely suggest looking for more than just one person. You want to reach out to a variety of people, and that way you could get several people promoting or wanting to incorporate your bundle. So if you'd like to learn more ways to get more income streams, check out Easy Image Income. I share a variety of ways to do that, and it's good for anybody who wants to basically set up image-based income streams quickly and easily.